LG continues with the G8 ThinQ announcements today with some news about the phone's audio capabilities. LG has revealed more about its audio configuration, which includes a crystal sound OLED. Similar to the OLED technology developed by LG that we have seen reach the market in Sony TV sets, it makes the screen vibrate to produce sound, with an effect that, according to the company, increases the volume, with more perceptible musical notes and clearer voices. This does not mean that the phone's screen will be shaking all the time, however, as LG explains that in speaker mode, it will emit audio through the lower speaker and advance up to 2 channels with the top of the screen. Other audio features include support for 7.1 surround emulation using DTS-X with or without headphones, and its Boombox speaker design that uses space inside the phone as a resonance camera to complete its sound. It even supports the MQA master quality encoded audio that Tidal uses and has a quad high fidelity DAC.